Dad! Time out.
Wait, but this one's bigger.
Take the biggest one.
Okay, at least I'm doing it. Would you do it with the smallest one? I don't think so. So we're going mid-size.
Hey, look, there's shadows in the way. Dusty, you're killing
Alright, I'll
it.
get out of the way.
Grab it.
Grab it.
Grab it
Grab
like
it.
a rabbit.
Do it.
Grab it.
Grab it.
Hey. Oh, come on.
Do you not sense the threat?
Do you not sense the threat of
Okay,
the...
really? Do you guys at least give me props for doing this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
totally.
Hey, grab it, you piece of
You got it.
I'm gonna kick your ass. Small one is on you too. Let go! I can't move. I don't want to move. He's spinning harder and harder and harder. Let go of my dick. Just wear this, like this is the latest fashion trend.
Dude, you should get another one and go to a club like that.
Let go. Okay, how do you get these things to let go, though? How do you get them to let go?
I'll be gentle.
No, you won't get the fuck away from me.
Dusty, move, damn shadow.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. In time, here, maybe if I give him something to sit on, he'll feel... Dude, like, really? Really? Oh, he's just going harder! Let's go!
Oh, there's one.
There goes one. There goes one.
Oh.
Ah! Bitch, I'm eating you. Oh!
That was amazing.